As you approach the home, the front porch welcomes you with open arms, setting the stage for an inviting and stylish home. The entrance leads you into a cozy living area where natural light spills across the walls and with no-maintenance wooden floors, creates a warm, lived-in feel. The space has soft textiles and eclectic decor that speak to the bohemian spirit. The heart of the home is undoubtedly the kitchen, which features open shelving and granite countertops. It's a space inviting culinary exploration while remaining functional and chic, great for gatherings over homemade meals overlooking the backyard. Each bedroom is a retreat unto itself. These rooms offer personal sanctuaries where tranquility meets style. Step outside to the backyard, where a charming patio sets the scene for outdoor living. Here, a string of lights casts a gentle glow over evening get-togethers, while the surrounding greenery offers privacy and peace. Come make this yours today. May 15, 2024.